Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HP printer is not printing black, but the color ink is printing properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix. This problem usually happens when the black cartridge is low, dried, or the printhead is clogged because the printer has not been used for a long time. First, check the black ink level on your printer screen or in the HP Smart app. If the black ink is very low, then the cartridge may need to be replaced or refilled. But if the ink level is showing and black is still not printing, then the black nozzle or printhead may be clogged. Now, open the cartridge access door and wait until the cartridge carriage stops moving. After that, remove the black cartridge carefully. Hold it only from the sides, and do not touch the copper contacts or nozzle area with your fingers. Next, look at the bottom of the cartridge. If this is a new cartridge, make sure the orange tape or plastic cover has been removed. If the tape is still there, remove it carefully, because the printer cannot print black if the nozzle is covered. After that, take a clean, soft tissue, lint-free cloth, or coffee filter. Slightly dampen it with clean water. Keep in mind, do not spray water inside the printer and do not make the cloth too wet. Now, place the black cartridge nozzle side down on the damp cloth for a few seconds, then gently blot it. If you see black ink marks on the cloth, that means ink is still inside and the nozzle may be clogged. Clean it gently a few times, then leave the cartridge for a few minutes so it can dry. Once this is done, reinstall the black cartridge into the printer. Push it gently until it clicks into place. Then close the cartridge access door and try printing a simple black text document. If black ink starts printing, your problem is fixed. But if the black print is still missing, faded, or broken, then the next step is to clean the printhead from the HP Smart app. Now, open the HP Smart app on your phone or computer. Select your HP printer. After that, go to Printer Settings, Tools, Printer Maintenance, or Print Quality Tools. Then, select Clean Printhead or Clean Cartridges. Start the cleaning process and wait until the printer prints a diagnostic page. Now check the page carefully. If the black is better but still not clear, run the cleaning one more time. Keep in mind, printhead cleaning uses ink, so do not run it too many times. After cleaning, print another test page. If black is printing clearly, your HP printer is ready to use. Finally, if black ink is still not printing, then the black cartridge may be empty, dried out, or damaged. In that case, replace it with a compatible HP cartridge or refill it if your printer supports refilling. So that's how you fix an HP printer not printing black and clean the printhead properly. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more HP printer troubleshooting videos. And if you still need help with your HP printer, blank pages, black ink problem, or cartridge issue, you can contact our support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.